Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a thorough review on this Louis Vuitton Recto Verso card holder. And I just want to let everybody know that I purchased this wallet with my own money, and this review is my own reflects my own honest opinion, and I am not affiliated with the brand. So this wallet is actually made up of a combination of canvas right here and a cowhide leather over here. So let's start with this pocket right here in front. So this pocket right here, it's actually it has a press stud closure, press stud snap closure right here, and the stud is actually made up of gold hardware over here. Well, it is a golden brass hardware. It is plated right here, as you guys could see. I hope my camera is picking up that the closure, the stud is actually, it's fading. So I had this since 2022, so obviously it's gonna show a lot of wear right here from constant touching and rubbing, and you could still see the Louis Vuitton engraved in it, and you see a lot of scratches, and that is expected. Okay, right here, the female component of this closure actually, I didn't see any wear in it, as well as this part right here, the protruding part of the component. I don't see a lot of wear and fading. And as far as, and it is functional, I didn't see any issues with it. Yeah. So let's take a look at inside. So this one is lined with a black cowhide leather. It is grained, so you guys could see it feels rough. And then this pocket right here, normally I used to put card in it right here. So yeah, the opening is not very generous, as you guys could see right here. So you could put receipts or a business card or cards in here, but I doubt that you could put some coins, maybe if you'd like. So yeah, this is how it would look. So far, the canvas is looking great. The stitching, as far as looking at the stitching, I didn't see any issues with it right here, especially in this corner. This side, I do not see any issues on this corner. So usually with this type of wallet, usually you would see some wear on this side. Yeah, I have seen in some of my wallets that this part started to unravel, and yeah, I hate seeing that, but looking at it right now, it is looking great. All right, so let's move on to this pocket right here. So the in-between flat pocket, I'm not sure if anybody of you out there who has this wallet is aware that there is a middle pocket inside. So this is the middle pocket, and you can actually open this wide, but as far as I remember, I didn't put anything in the middle pocket. But just to let you know, guys, that this has a pocket right here in the middle. It has a pretty generous opening. Looking at the wear, I do not see any issues in it. There is no fading on the canvas right here, no cracking at all. It is looking great. Over here. And now let's move on to the zippered coin pocket. So this has an L zip opening right here. So form as letter L right here. L zip opening. I don't remember I have issues with the zipper. And just to let you know, guys, that I always rotate my small leather goods, and sometimes I do clean them and sometimes I don't. But for this one, since I got this in 2022, I have not cleaned this one, the hardware, everything around it. So yeah, so this one has the metal hardware right here, the zipper pull. And it says right here, Louis Vuitton, the interlocking logo. And as far as looking at the hardware, there is no chipping at all. I hope you guys see that. There is no chipping on the hardware on this corner and also on the other side as well. Wow, this is pretty amazing. Right there, and it's still shiny, and then it is smooth, very smooth. And let's take a look at the teeth. So the teeth are looking great. I'm not seeing any tarnish at all. There might be a little bit on this part right here, a little bit, but I didn't see any sort of tarnished and discoloration or a heavy oxidation on the hardware. And then we also have this chain with a hook. So right here, I mean, you have an option to use this hook, right? I mean, attach it to your bag as a charm, or you could just carry it just like a wristlet. You have that option, but for me personally, sometimes I use this to hang in some of my purses, and especially with my Damier Azur bag, and this one really stand out. And let's take a look at the hardware. The hardware is actually looking great. It's not as shiny as when I first purchased it, but I didn't see any tarnishing at all. So the hardware is a little bit dull, but not there is no tarnish at all. So this part and this part, it's looking great. And then the chain are still intact. I didn't see any issues with the chain at all. So the chain looks a little shiny. It is looking great. So the only issue that I saw for this is this part right here, the fabric that connects to the teeth of the zipper. It started to, I think it's fraying right here, this part, and that is expected from constant wear. So obviously when I let this chain hang, obviously it could cause a lot of rubbing, constant pressure to it, and that is expected. But looking at it right here at the bottom, I didn't see any issues at all. This one is perfectly intact, just this part over here. So let's take a look at inside. Okay, so this is where, I mean, I have never put any coins on this wallet. So I have the desiccant over here, and I got the one that's made in France, and then the interior is actually lined with the cowhide leather. So as you guys could see, You could open it wide over here so you could put coins or anything, but mainly I use this as a card holder, so I put cards in here. Okay, it looks pretty clean inside. I didn't see any peeling or any sticky substance inside. Yeah, and then the gusset are perfect. And yeah, I didn't see any issues with this on the interior. Okay, so let's move on at the back. So at the back, we have a, how many card slots? 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. So this part right here, this one is actually lined and it's made up of cowhide leather. So we have 1, 2, 3 card slots. As you guys could see, the card slot has already been stretched. So I have never doubled them. I only put 1 card per slot. And this is what it happened. It looks like it has been stretched so much. So right here, as you guys could see, it has been used. Right here on the side, so you guys could see it has been used, but I didn't see any tear over here. Yeah, I did not see any tear at all. And then this one is lined, the inside is lined with a smooth leather. Okay, and then also I also use this part right here with the card as well. So you could put 4 cards, and then more cards here on this side, over here, the in between a flat pocket, and then on this with this snap closure. So yeah, overall, I mean, I got this in 2022. It is looking great. I have no issues over here with the pattern. And the only issues that I've noticed is, I was checking this before I did my review, is this part right here. As you guys can see, I hope the camera is picking up. It's the glazing. So this has a glazing, and as you guys could see, the glazing is coming off a little bit right here. So that is the only issues that I have. And this one has a glazing in this corner, the glazing on this part, the glazing over here entirely. And that is the only part that I had issues with the glazing. Though it is minor, but if I'm not going to correct it or fix it, it's going to get worse over time. So yeah, I think you could see it over here, but I have already shown that. So far, that is the only issues that I have on this wallet. Overall, the glazing on this part, it's not very smooth. I've seen a little bit of like building up bubbles over here, but they're pretty strong. Yeah, they're actually pretty strong. So yeah. So anyway, this is my review on this beautiful Recto Verso card holder. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.